Hello guys, Acme room walkthrough. So let's get started. So we need to deploy our machine and we have done that, and then we need to find these two flags. So let me copy this and let me go to a new private browser and let me paste this. So this is the website which they want us to do this local. So let's first nmap. So nmaps, we are doing nmap scan. So for local file inclusion, let's get started. So let's click on this. So this is the local file inclusion, and here we need to do something to get the value of EC3 password file so that we can log in and get their password or something. So whenever I'm typing something, it is checking that if that file exists, then it will bring me that data of this file. So for example, nmap was done, 2 ports open, SSH and HTTP. Okay, so for example, let me go to documents and let me go to a folder known as noise. Okay, so here I'll show you what is the use of this thing. So when I was in documents, my documents contains 2 directory, one is noise and one is ttt. So rather than going like this, if I am in noise currently, I can go to ttt by doing this command /ttt, and now I am in ttt. So to reverse and go back, I am doing this thing //. So this thing I came to ttt, this thing I will exit out of documents, and now I can go to downloads. So just like that, we are going to do this over here. In the name, I'm going to type //, and I can just type it till any amount, till that time I reach to that root directory which contains this file. So we have successfully done the cat for this file. Now I'm going to press Ctrl U so that I get to see this code. Ctrl U, I pressed Ctrl U, and they have given us the username and the password so that we can log into SSH as we saw in our nmap scan. So let's SSH into the server using this name @ the IP. This was the IP, and let's press enter. Okay, it is asking me for the password. The password is root password. Nope. Okay, the password is this one, root password. Let me paste that, and yep, we are in. So let's get the user.txt file, and we got our first flag. So I'm pressing Ctrl Shift V to copy and paste. Now we need to find our root flag. So we have done with all of this. Now just privilege escalation is left. So for that, let me type sudo -l, and it's allowing socat to run without as a root user. So I don't know how to do that. So I have a website which I use, that is GTFOBins, and here I'll type that things which is allowed, socat, SOCAT I'll click on the sudo option. So when I'll run this, I'll become sudo. So I'll paste this here and let me press enter, and after pasting this, now I am the sudo. Now when I'm doing ls, you can see I'm getting everything as the same, just the fact that I can't see like the left root or sudo written, but every command is working. So let me go to cd root ls, and now I can find root.txt cat, and autocomplete is not working, but otherwise else you are the root user. So let me copy this again and let me paste this here, and yep, we have completed this one. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and see you next time.